In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Dovoh H3 360G self-leveling laser level. They were nice enough to send this to me so I can do an honest review and give my opinion. So if you're someone looking to add a laser level to your arsenal of tools, you're going to want to watch this to the end. This is a 3-plane professional laser level, and it's almost 4 times brighter than competitors, coming in at 110 milliwatts, and also has a robust design with its wrapped core unit, increasing its resistance to impact. So starting off with the packaging, it comes in a solid carrying case that makes it great for transporting. It's also got a bunch of foam on the inside that helps protect everything. Taking a look inside, we have everything laid out pretty nicely. I'll go through everything in more detail, but first we have this laser level. It's a dual power device, so it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. This is the charger right here, and this is the USB-C cable that plugs into it, along with the block that plugs into the wall. There's also this remote that allows you to control the level without touching it. It's pretty convenient for when you have the level set somewhere up high or out of reach. We also have a target plate. This is used to see the green line and make it more visible. It has a kickstand at the back and also a magnet on top. Another really cool feature that comes with this set is this bracket, which is used for all sorts of situations. The laser level gets mounted on right here, and now you're able to hook this on to a board or shelf by using these 2 clamps right here that slide into place and lets you hook it on. And if you don't want to hook it onto a shelf, you can also attach it to a tripod, or they also have a nail hook right here that allows you to hang it on a wall. This wheel right here, if you turn it, lets you move the level up and down, which is actually really good for precision if you need to adjust the line by just the slightest amount. And if that wasn't enough, you can pull this apart right here, which has a magnet at the back, which now allows you to attach this to any metal surface, like metal studs for example. The versatility with this clamp alone is actually really nice. This is a really cool and handy attachment that truly gives you plenty of options for mounting. And the last accessory that's included with this laser level are these glasses. They're designed to enhance the laser if lighting is weak or visibility is limited both indoors and outdoors, making you see it better. So now to get into the specifics of the laser level itself, you'll notice there's 2 vertical lasers and then there's 1 horizontal laser. They can all be turned on at the same time, or you can just have 1 on, 2 on, or all of them on at the same time. You have the battery compartment right here where you simply open this up and they just slide in. If you happen to not have the batteries or they are just not charged, there's this USB-C port on the side where you can just run it off cable. And next to the battery slot, you have 2 mounts for tripods, the smaller size and the larger size. Taking a look at the overall design and feel of the level itself, I'd say it's pretty light and doesn't feel too clunky. The shape of it's nicely designed and is a good size. So to operate this thing, there's a switch on the side that shows a lock icon and an unlock icon. When it's locked, that means the pendulums are fixed in place and can't move. When it's unlocked, it turns the level on, but it also makes the pendulums move, as you can see. And because it can move, this thing will start to beep at you and blink, indicating that it's out of level. And then once I place it down in level, it stops the blinking and beeping. If there's a time where you need a straight line but don't care if it's level, you can lock it on the side, which locks the pendulum and turns it off. Then you're going to press and hold the power button to turn it back on. Now you have a locked line that you can move around without it beeping at you. This is perfect for scenarios where you're installing something on an angle or need a slope. Now while staying in this mode, I'll explain the other buttons. If I hit the H, it turns on the horizontal line, and if I press it again, it turns it off. If I hit the V once, it turns the first vertical line on in the front. If I hit it again, it turns off the front and turns on the second vertical line on the side. If I hit the V for a 3rd time, it turns on both vertical lines at the same time. And if I hit the H, I have all 3 on. As you can tell here, it's super bright and almost looks like it's drawn onto my desk, which is pretty neat. And here it is on my ceiling with a bunch of natural light coming in, and the line is still super bright and visible. There you go guys, that was my review of the Dovoh H3 360G self-leveling laser level. Thanks again to Dovoh for sending this to me, and if you guys liked the video, consider dropping a comment and a like. I left the product links in the description if you want to check it out for yourself.